Managing multiple marketing clients at the same time creates a problem nobody talks about. You start mixing up brand voices, you forget which client wanted formal tone versus casual, you waste hours digging through old conversations trying to remember what strategy you already pitched. Google built features into Gemini 3 that solve this exact problem, but most digital marketers never turn them on. I'm going to show you a setup that lets you switch between 5 or 10 different client contexts without losing your mind or wasting time. This is the kind of system that makes solo service providers look like they have an entire team behind them. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what happens when you run marketing services for multiple clients. Client A wants aggressive ad copy for high-ticket consulting. Client B needs warm social content for a wellness brand. Client C requires technical email sequences for their SaaS product. You switch between them all day, and by hour 3, you are second-guessing every word. Did this client want bullet points or paragraphs? You end up scrolling through old messages just to verify tone. That eats up hours every week. Here's what I call the parallel brand framework. Gemini 3 lets you program separate instructions for each client so the tool adapts to whoever you are working for in that moment. You can connect it to their actual files so brand guidelines load automatically. You can use thinking mode to turn messy requests into structured plans, and you can schedule tasks so client updates happen without you manually tracking deadlines. When you set this up correctly, you stop juggling everything in your head and start letting the system hold that information for you. Let me walk you through the first feature that changes everything. Gemini 3 has something called Instructions for Gemini, hidden in the settings menu at the bottom left. Click Settings, then find Instructions for Gemini. Activate it, then press Add. This opens a text box where you describe your role and how you want answers delivered. Most people skip this or fill it out once with generic information. That is a mistake when managing multiple clients. Here is the shift. Instead of one set of instructions, you create separate profiles for each client. You switch them out depending on who you are creating content for. For client A, you write, "My role is a marketing consultant working with a high-ticket consulting brand. This client prefers bold, direct messaging with no fluff. Keep all copy short, punchy, and results focused. Avoid casual language. Save that as client A's profile." For client B, you write something completely different. "My role is a content creator for a wellness brand focused on women over 40. This client wants warm, empathetic messaging that feels like conversation. Use encouraging language and avoid anything salesy. Save that as client B." Now, when you open Gemini, you load the profile for whoever you are working on. The tool instantly adapts its tone and style. You are not relying on memory anymore. Here is where things get wild. Once you set up those profiles, you can connect Gemini 3 to their actual work files. That is what Workspace Extensions does. You turn this on by going to Settings, clicking Connected Apps, and making sure the toggle for Google Workspace is active. Once that is on, Gemini can scan your Google Drive and pull information from folders organized by client. You are building a content calendar for Client C and need their brand voice document, competitor analysis, and product launch dates from 3 weeks ago. Instead of opening 6 tabs, you tell Gemini to pull all documents related to Client C and summarize key points. It scans your files and gives you a clean overview in seconds. You just saved 20 minutes. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Most client requests come in messy. They send a voice note saying, "We need to promote the new product, but also keep pushing evergreen offers and maybe tie in that seasonal campaign." That is 3 different priorities with no structure. This is where thinking mode becomes critical. Thinking mode is at the top of the Gemini interface in the model dropdown. Switch from fast to thinking. When you paste that messy request, Gemini does not just generate content immediately. It pauses, maps out priorities, identifies conflicts, and gives you a structured plan first. It might say, Week 1 focuses on product launch with 3 posts and 1 email. Week 2 transitions to evergreen offer. Week 3 ties both into seasonal campaign. That structure becomes your campaign outline. You show the client a plan instead of throwing content at them. Clients pay more for clarity and strategy. When you turn a vague request into a structured plan, you look like the expert they hired. Thinking mode gives you that edge without spending an hour untangling their ideas. This is the difference between someone who creates content and someone who builds campaigns. The strategic layer is what separates basic service work from what agencies charge premium rates for. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now, here is something most people never think about. When managing multiple clients, deadlines pile up. Client A needs weekly social posts every Monday. Client B wants monthly newsletter drafts by the 15th. Client C requires campaign updates every Friday. You can track this manually, or you can set up Gemini 3 to handle it automatically through scheduled tasks. You just tell Gemini what you want done and when. Every Monday at 8 in the morning, pull the top 3 trending topics in the consulting space and draft 3 LinkedIn post ideas for Client A. Or every Friday at 5, create a bullet point summary of this week's campaign activity for Client C formatted as an email. Once you set these up, they run in the background. You are not spending mental energy remembering every deadline. Automation is not just about saving time. It is about removing decision fatigue. When you wake up Monday and those post ideas are already drafted, you are not starting from zero. You are reviewing instead of creating from scratch. That difference compounds when managing 5 or 10 clients. Let me show you how this works together. You wake up Monday and check scheduled tasks. Gemini already drafted 3 posts for Client A. You load Client A's instruction profile so tone matches their brand. You use Workspace extensions to reference their past performance. You review drafts, make tweaks, and send them off. 15 minutes instead of an hour. Client B sends a messy request about updating their email sequence. You switch to Client B's profile, paste the request into thinking mode, and let Gemini map a plan. It outlines which emails need updates and how to sequence them. You use Workspace extensions to pull existing templates and start editing. Another 30 minutes saved. By Wednesday, you have delivered work for 3 different clients without once mixing up their voices or forgetting their preferences. That is not luck. That is infrastructure doing the work memory used to handle. Services like content calendars, email sequence updates, and campaign planning become faster to deliver, which means you can take on more clients without burning out or hiring help. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. It is tempting to just use the basics, but once you start treating AI as a system instead of a helper, the leverage becomes real. One more feature matters for client work. By default, Gemini 3 saves conversation history. When working with client data, you need to be careful. Campaign plans and performance metrics should not be stored in a tool's memory. That is where temporary chats come in. Activate this at the top of the chat interface. Look for the toggle that says temporary chat. Turn it on before working on anything sensitive. Gemini will not save the conversation or use it for training. Once you close the chat, everything is gone. You protect client confidentiality while still using the tool to work faster. Picture what your next 30 days look like once this setup becomes your normal workflow. You are not scrambling trying to remember which client wanted what. You are not digging through folders for brand guidelines. You are not manually checking off every deadline. The system handles that while you focus on creative and strategic work clients actually value. That is what separates solo operators who stay stuck from the ones who scale. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.